looks amazing. Just outside Louis Philippe, we have a nice ornamental structure in front of us. I don't know what it is, but it looks beautiful, right? I think these are some of the gods that they go whatever. I will ignore that. That's I never saw it. The structure is quite massive, big. And here you will see it must be a shrine. Yeah, it's a shrine. And yeah, it is just showing this Sri Prasanna Ganapati Sri whatever. And it's there, you see all the communication and all the information that is over there. So when the devotees are going inside this shrine, there is a plan to reconstruct it and make it more modern and something like that. So they contribute money and then say their prayers, and then the money is going to be used for reconstruction of that. What amazes me is that with all this kind of development and human psychology behind everything here, different communities stay here in Bangalore peacefully. We've seen Muslims. Right now we are heading to a masjid. I'm just going to show you. We've seen churches, like we've seen colleges for Catholic, like St. Joseph's colleges. We've seen lots and lots of buildings over here. So right now we are heading to a masjid. We just left that building over there, which is a shrine, and a Hindu shrine with all the gods there. And then you're going to the masjid. We are going to say for Maghrib and Isha prayer to wait over down here. Yeah, so this is the masjid. We passed by this place, so we're just going to be making our prayers. Just on this road we are heading, and this is the mosque that we are going to make our prayers in. Yeah. I don't know whether it's here. Brother, assalamu alaikum. Masjid?
Masjid, you have to go from that side.
From the other side?
Yeah,
okay.
Go left.
Masjid
and
Nur, right?
Sorry?
Nur?
Masjid Mamur.
Okay, Mamur.
Yeah,
okay,
Mamur.
let's go over
Yeah,
there. This side and then...
And take a left.
Okay.
Go down.
Thank you. So we keep getting lost, but we are actually around the same area. It's just that there are several, corridors that you have to pass to be able to reach your actual destination. Just few meters away from where we're here, that's where the mosque is at, and we are heading over there. So as I was saying, despite all that, in spite of all that, the denominational or a metropolis or a combination of various religions, people in Bangalore here still stay in peace. Yeah, people in Bangalore here stay in peace. We've not seen any disrespect or any manner of conflict or any kind of disdain that is being geared over to us. So yeah, sorry for the light, but we have to pass here. It was the shortest way possible to the masjid. It was working managed offices. Yeah, every place you work, you will see something called two-wheelers parking. So it's not here. Sio hii ni next. Oh, Masjid Mamu. It's the gate. Masjid. Masjid.
Masjid is there.
There. Okay, I'm seeing that minaret. Thank you. So we are heading over there, to the mosque. You see, that's minaret. Yeah. Again. Maybe it's the other side and then you go to the other thing. Yeah. So anytime you come around areas that there's a mosque, you find nice Arabian dishes there, Kashmiri dishes there, Bengali dishes over there, and then you can be able to just have a bite and move on to the next step. So yeah, we're coming back to the road that we were on the main road, so we can take that branch left and then go to that slide inside the mosque. Again, these buses are very beautifully done. They are intercities, and the technology incorporated in this system is in payment method. You just scan a QR code and automatically the money is being deducted from your phone. Yeah, so you need to have registered for the payment systems that they use over here, like PayFM, and then you can be able to just scan QR code and then you're able to pay. Yeah, again, it's 8 p.m. and the roads are busy. So far, you've been seeing us recording at night. The reason we keep recording at night is not that we enjoy walking at night. Of course, night is peaceful here. There is any sign of insecurity. But again, during the day it's very uncomfortable and it's hot, like 36 degrees. So it's not comfortable for us. Otherwise, you'll see me sweating all over and not talking to you in a manner that makes sense. I'm not going to be communicating to you in the best way possible. Yeah, nice buildings over here. You can see them. Mosque, it's Masjid Mamun. It's a Memon Masjid, and so this way you have to go, have your wudu, and then pass over. Very beautifully done, nice construction, very well planned. You come, do your wudu over here, and then pass. I don't know, this side is where the prayer is being done. Wudu, yeah. Already prayer is going on, so we're going to just go inside and then do our prayers. Nani kupatia?